Biologists classify animals and plants according to the characteristics that they have in common. Spiders are included in a special group called Araneae. They are predators of insects and other creatures. Usually, they only capture prey smaller than or equal to their own size. Humans are too big even for the most ambitious spiders. Many spiders are small and have small mouthparts. These spiders are not capable of biting through the human skin. Spider's body has a cephalothorax with eyes, a pair of jaws, and 4 pairs of jointed legs. Most spiders have 8 simple eyes. 2 main eyes have a small field of vision with high resolution. The secondary eyes detect the shadows and the difference between the light and dark. Below the eyes on the head end of a spider's cephalothorax are 2 small jaws that end in fangs. Venom is produced in glands behind the jaws and empties along ducts in the fangs to paralyze or kill prey. Legs of spiders differ according to their size and family. They have claws at the end of each leg. There may be 2 or 3 small claws which help them to hold its web tightly. Spider webs are made up of continuous strands of spider silk, produced from about 6 silk glands beneath the abdomen and squeezed out of spinnerets like a toothpaste from a tube. A web spinning spider first constructs a framework attached to parts of plants or other firm support. This framework has threads radiating out from the center. The spider will work from the edge of the web towards the center, laying down a spiral of sticky threads. Spider silk threads have the breaking strain of iron. It is only about 1/200th of a millimeter in diameter, and it can be stretched by 31% without breaking. An earlier assumption about the most densely woven webs was that they were for catching smaller insects, but recent observations have shown that webs like these are actually to catch bigger insects than do the more loosely constructed ones. Generally, male spiders are smaller than the females. The male spider would signal the female of its arrival by vibrating its web. After mating, the male spider dies within a few days. The female spiders live for a long period. Mother spiders generally use a large amount of silk in making the egg sac. This gives it a dense, cushiony appearance, protecting the egg inside and the young when they hatch out of the eggs. All spiders are carnivorous. Most spiders eat insects, but a few of the large species, like the tarantulas, are big enough to prey on small vertebrate animals like small birds, lizards, frogs, and even snakes up to 2 feet long. The spider's poisonous fangs sink into the hapless reptile, killing it so that the tarantula's digestive juices can dissolve the meal into an edible protein shake. Some spiders, however, are known to be dangerously venomous to humans, like the brown recluse and the black widow. It causes allergic reactions and in some cases it may lead to death. All spiders, of course, travel around the immediate territory on foot, but small and young spiders can travel for many miles, being carried through the air by a breeze. This method of travel is called ballooning. Spiders adapt themselves to the environment they live. They are always used to stay in cool places. Some spiders can also change their color. It's a defense mechanism to catch their prey. Spiders are found all over the world in all sorts of habitats, from the seashore to the desert, on the ground, under rocks, on plants, in trees, in caves and on water. There are about 35,000 named species of spiders. They are considered to be ugly and frightening. In truth, many are quite handsome or graceful, and all of them are fascinating and yet to be discovered.